Now we want to work on removing the author that are associated. If I go back to the view here, not index, manage author, we have another form with the action method of remove author. There we have book ID in the hidden field, but in the for each, if you go to the right here, we also have the ASP route author ID for the author that user clicks on the remove button. So if we go back here, press F12 and examine the remove button here, you can see in the form action, we are passing the author ID like that. We can retrieve that and we can remove the association. Let me go back to the code here and I will copy manage author, paste that one more time. We will go back here, copy the action, remove authors, and perfect. And right here with the book author view model, we will also receive the author ID. We will copy and paste that. It will be an integer. Our book ID is saved inside the model.book.bookid. So let me create an integer book ID and retrieve that from the book author view model. Then we need to retrieve the book author map that we want to remove. So that will be equal to _db.bookauthormaps.first.default, and we need to pass the author ID and the book ID. We will retrieve the book author, then we can use the remove method. So right here, book author maps.remove, and we want to remove the book author map that we retrieved using the book and author ID. We will save the changes and then we will redirect back to manage author, and this time we directly have book ID in the local variable. Let me use that, and perfect, that looks good. With that, let me restart the application and see if that works. We will go to our book here and we have authors in Spyder without duty. We try to remove and perfect. Let me go to database and that worked. Let me go back here and assign author to some other book. We refresh. Perfect, the book ID is correct and it is removing them. Great. So with that, we can see how many-to-many relation is coming into picture. I can assign the same author here. And if I go back to the other book, in the authors, here also we have the same association. So you can see one book ID can have multiple authors and same author can have multiple books as well. With that, we have seen many-to-many relation in action.